Shillings?
9.
If I take 20 away from 28, we are left with
8.
Good. So it is £1 and 8 shillings. We put the 8 shillings down where the answer should be in the shillings column, and we put the £1 down below in the cellar beneath the pounds column.
5.
And 1.
6.
Good. So £2.15 shillings and 9pence, add £3 12 shillings and 11 pence, gives us a total altogether of £6
8
shillings and 8 pennies. There are 12 pennies in 1 shilling. How many pennies are there in 5 shillings?
60.
Good. There are 60 pennies in 5 shillings. But also divided up into 12 inches. We have 12 inches on this ruler. 5 feet. Hands up. How many inches are there in 5 feet? How many pennies are there in 5 shillings, Gwen? So how many inches are there in 5 feet?
60.
Good, there are 60 inches in 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40.